Norman Manley Airport. All road leads to Norman Manley International Airport, Kingston. Veteran TV, acknowledge to the world. And you know, see the roundabout at the airport, alright. If you take the left, that's all. When you find the reach, Port Royal you go. To the world, direction, Veteran TV, direction. See the whole of Kingston City there, no people. Jaja. What's on the world, Veteran, and I couldn't know, say. Airport, that slide there, that left here, Port Royal, that road there carry you. From the airport roundabout. Yeah, you just, nobody finish roundabout. Just take the first left there on the airport. And Port Royal that. Yeah? Yeah man, Norman Manley. See there? Kingston City. In the day, yeah. Yeah man. You see it? Safe travel from them. Norman Manley to the airport down there for people. Right? You know, you like the things them man, you know, share the things them man. You don't know, hey, give me a subscription now. Veteran TV, Kingston City.